first bout in favor of the wrestler in black waistband.
Introducing first the wrestler from the white corner, Mr. Seisato Sano, and his friend from the black corner, Mr. Wang Siu-mong. In the first bout was won by the wrestler from the white corner. The second bout to proceed. Chia seja to sano mo vansiu hong mong unye keneta mo krukiriu no seja to sano vita krukiniu kenelado.
Come on.
The second bout in favor of the wrestler from the black corner, Mr. Wang Siu-mong. Now the third bout will decide their fate. The toss of coin went in favor of wrestler Seisato Sano. The match went in favor of Mr. Wang Siu-mong from the black corner.
The wrestler in white in black, Wang Siu-mong, to play the last match of the second round.
Tai som tum mi he van chiu hung se rang mi he first day in Naga lightweight champion khase lightweight ta khan ni tonget van chiu hung he sung tu he King of the Ring ani tong tran ka zau na ngat se
The thrones bow in favor of the wrestler in white wisdom. Kevin Okosuke.
chicheu ni tei deng nain pakhat nagaru sin sung thei tuk nain chikhat te pakhat te in sung ama sakha naga pai chan se tu he lai pai ngani pai la come on
The second bow in favor of the wrestler in black wisdom. Round two.
voi khat de ben la ke te voi thu na ke chak ni cho an chak lan chang lai
Even the day before. In the pre-quarters,
lai toi ta khan
both were bow each and
cheu le tu
standing out.
apai pi mi hen rak pai chang e
Back in favor of Kevin Jacob. Even today, they both won a bow each, and now they will both have for the third and deciding bout.
oh tha tuk cheu le ya koi ni ata ai nuam bak ke
Something that happened differently.
tu lai toi ta champion mi se cheu ni tu te ya chon lai toi champion mi kha
In favor of
atai ni nak se china turngai
In the match between Kevin Okosuke and Bang Chengo, right in favor of the wrestler in white wisdom. Kevin Okosuke.
这里呢，
하니하 겐네와다로 원치우모 소쿠레 도메 응예 겐네다도 소시우 베츠 세도 시조 오지 세바티오 예 겐네도 니리 레 바나데
Semi-final aton mi pasiro na.
Liam, others are not allowed to go too close to the arena, okay?
Okay.
Please keep note of that. Yesterday we allowed him to sit there. There have been some complaints.
1 minute pass. The wrestlers from the white corner is Mr. Van Filmo, and his opponent from the black corner is Mr. Sokure Tome. Haniha rezonaro vetseto shijo oji selapio keretso niken negro. So shiu kejabizo tevo o megobizo bishina niken negro sila nibu le kalemuya.
Come on, man. Anh tay pan đâu khá chạy cậu. Tu he van chiu mung le nagapa ni peilio se. Nagapa ke aniam deuh na ina ngan ngai le. Van chiu mung ni teng tu kha van chiu mung ni rau lo tia teng.
Wrestler from the white corner has won the boot. The second bout to proceed.
Tu he voi ni nak si tu ya te ya chun Thailand chang la. Oh, chim ta hao.
Take a take a shirt on.
If time is hard, you win. Tu he avai khat tai chang e I tai lo ya ni tluk te.
The second bout went in favor of Sokure Tome from the black corner. The boat, each of them won one boat each, and therefore they will play for the third boat for deciding their fate.
Tu tan cheu King of the Ring ni he Kohima umlai mi pol jong kan zo ve e. Tôi te lak tar ve na lai mo. Okay, ka thu mi ke Kohima lai mi policy. Oh. Naga Polian po puak ngai. Andi lak ngot in po puak na. Wrestler Paul. Ah, dọc nào sẽ
The match went in favor of Sukure Tome from the black corner.